Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create print designs using Kittl AI. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is log into Kittl AI. Alright, so Kittl is a really cool platform that is going to allow you to create amazing posters, t-shirts, designs, logos, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a cool print design for a t-shirt. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and sign up to Kittl. In case you guys don't have it yet, I'm going to leave a link down below with a special surprise so you guys can go ahead and check Kittl out. Then after you create your account, you're going to go ahead and log in and you're going to click right here where it says start with AI. So then you're going to tell AI to simply build whatever it is that you need. In this case, I said something like, please create a print design for a t-shirt or a coffee shop. This print design is going to be used by coffee workers. The name of the brand is Mel's Coffee, something like that. Then what you're going to do is click on generate, and we're going to give AI a little bit of time so it gets to work. All right, you guys, and that's pretty much it. AI will literally give you a print design that you can use in literally seconds. You can then go ahead, in case you want to make any changes or adjustments, you can go ahead and edit this design. And once it's ready to go, simply click on share, download it, and then you can share it with whoever it is that is going to be helping you with your prints. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to like the video. Bye.